You suffered significant harm and injury because of someone else's carelessness here in New York. And now your attorney tells you that the defense wants to try and negotiate, that they're serious about trying to settle your case. But first, they have certain conditions you need to meet. You want to know what this is all about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Your lawyer tells you that the defense says, listen, we'd like to try and negotiate, but first, we need copies of all of your medical records. We need to see what doctors you were treating with. We need to see video and footage and photographs of the accident scene. We need to know details about exactly what occurred. We want to interview people who were involved, who witnessed exactly what occurred before we can actually make a substantial offer. Is this something you're willing to do? Is this something that you need to do? The answer is maybe yes, and then again, maybe no. Do you really have to provide all of this information to the defense in order to start negotiating? The answer might be yes. You might have to do that, because if this is shortly after the accident, the defense likely doesn't know as many details as you and your attorney do. If they knew all this information, they would likely be able to start negotiating right away. They might say, look, we're not going to go ahead and negotiate. Or they may say, look, we have no idea what the extent of your injuries are. So how can we begin to negotiate if we haven't seen any medical records? We don't know exactly how permanent your injuries are. And without that information, we can't make a substantial offer. So in many instances, we will go ahead and provide those details to them in order for them to get a better understanding of what types of injuries you suffered as a result of this incident. Have questions about your matter that happened here in New York? Well, if you have not yet started a lawsuit, but are thinking of doing so, and still have questions that need to be answered, pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207, or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.